Oh, what have you got there? Let's have a look. Ta. Ta. That's your medicine for your baby. Oh. You gonna go give medicine to Declan? There you go. What are you cooking, Declan?
No, I'm not. What's that tricky? That's tricky.
Bit tricky, was it?
They keep going down.
You're cooking some broccoli by the looks of things. So Declan, do you like Erin's new birthday present? Thank you. Oh, Erin's having some broccoli.
No, why cooking?
It's not cooked yet, Erin.
It's not quite yet. No one does it.
I think you're just going to have to make peace with the fact that she's going to want to help you, Declan.
Yeah, you need some medicine? No.
Whoa, you fell on top of your dolly. Hello.
That I'm cooking.
Where'd you go? So that's her favourite thing. Her favourite thing out of all her presents.
Well, she recognises what it is, though.
Yeah, I suppose. Ta for mummy? Ta. Ta. Oh, you're not going to give it to me? Indian giver? Sound like you're cooking up a storm over there, Declan.
I got scissors.
Hello.
Where are you?
Do you know what we should do, Declan? We should sing happy birthday to Erin. Do you want to help me do that?
Okay.
No, thanks. Maybe a bit later on? Okay. Can you look at the camera?
No,
And just say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.